True freezer T49F, but it's making noise. It's in defrost right now when I got here, and oh yeah, look at the light switches out. That's a trip. The coil's good. The defrost is working. That fan doesn't look broken. That one doesn't look broken. Come down here, we'll bring it out of defrost. See what happens. Hey, old friend. Oh yeah. It's gonna be pluggo to the buggo. Alright, I'm taking her all apart here. We can pull the condensing unit out. They got this thing running on an extension cord. It was hot as hell. Everything's hot, so I probably got one of the motors out for sure. Oh yeah, this is all hammered. Look at that. I hate the paper fan shrouds. Yeah, let's get it out of here. Dude, pluggo to the buggo. Mega. Super plugger.
Yeah.
Let's see about getting some water across this thing.
Is it a problem? Maybe?
No, well, I think the fan shroud was all hitting it. Well, we'll see if these motors are any good in a minute. All right, got the coil washed out. That's it. Let's plug her in and see what happens here. Oh shit. Okay, got it back going. It's the contactor buzzing. Hear that? That's the relay inside there. We should have one on the van. They thought it was the fan making noise. Okay. There it is. Someone's changed out the Orion style relay and put just a regular contactor in there. That's what's making noise. Let's get it changed out. That sounds better. A lot better. I think we gotta let it cool down because it was in defrost. There we go. Back in action. Oh yeah, the amp draw is going to be a lot lower now. Dude, this thing was so plugged. They got the cord going into the receptacle, smoking hot. Yep, there she is. And that wasn't even the reason they called. They called because this was started to buzz. All right, got an ice cream dipping cabinet. Zoom out. Set for -2. You're okay. $404A, 9 ounces. Okay. All right. This one has an access fitting on it.
Are you okay? Yeah.
All right. That's my static charge. Looks pretty low. I say we recover what's left and then weigh in a fresh charge. 9 ounces. Yeah, 9 ounces, 404. That's about all you can do on these. Alright, that's what my pressures look like while the unit's running now. That's a lot better. This is going to work out, so it was just low on charge. Gas and go special.